if you're anything like me, you are looking for a one and done binary option strategy that makes it so that you can just profit and use the same thing over and over and over again every single day. Kind of like an on-demand ATM, right? Well, this is exactly what you are looking for, because this is all I teach. It's not the only way that I trade, but it is all I teach because it is the easiest way to make money. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the fact that I have a Telegram channel, and in my Telegram channel I actually teach you, because I do have a VIP strategy channel where I teach you how to do this yourself for free. All right, so if we go into Telegram, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. You see, I break things down, and not only do I prove that it works, such as, I don't know, let's say all of my wins, and I also show you my losses, and some crazy things that happen to me, such as I never lose 3 back-to-back, let alone like 6, but it happened, and I recouped every single dollar of it. Okay, so can you lose? Yes. Can you win? Absolutely. Do I show you exactly how to do this over and over and over again? Yes, I do. Every single day. Now let me just break this down super simple and show you why this works and how it works. We're only using a couple of things. 2 moving averages, both of them SMA. We have a third moving average, and this is going to also be SMA. That's the white line that you see kind of horizontally. And we also have the CCI, and we have stochastic. And they all have their own special settings, and you can find these for free in Telegram. The link is at the top of your screen as well as down in the description. But just check this out just for a second. If you look at the stochastic, you're going to notice that we're in the danger zone. If you look at the CCI, you're going to notice we are in the danger zone. If you look at the actual candles themselves, this is marked as number 1, because this is the first thing that you are looking for, is the cross of the 2 moving averages. It can't get any easier than this, okay? And then we kind of hit that SMA a couple of times, and I knew that it was going to break through because of the other indicators, and that when it did break through, now we would have these super strong candles, and that is what we were looking for, number 5. Now, is this part of the strategy? No, but this is just common sense to me. This is, why would I not be looking for super strong ass candles? Obviously I am. So this was a great example of the perfect setup, and of course I took 2 trades on this and I won. So even if you take the whole rejection off the SMA thing out and looking for these big ass candles, you're looking for number 1, the cross of the 2 SMAs. Number 2, you're looking for the CCI to be in the danger zone and not curved back, meaning coming back down or going back up. You are also looking for the stochastic to be in the danger zone. And you are looking for strong candles, and we're going to trade on the candle after the cross. Okay. So in this instance, it didn't happen. It didn't happen until over here, and this is why I took this trade. All right. So is this something that anybody can do? Yes. Is this something that I teach you how to do in my Telegram channel? Yes. Is it free? Yes. Is my VIP channel free? Yes. So are you guaranteed to make money? Nobody's guaranteed to make money. I can't force you to take the best trades. I can't be sitting there and, watching every single move that you're making, but I give you everything that you need to make the best decisions. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, again, it's 100% free. Just go to sendme2.co/TWK, as in trade with Kristen. Here is a non-marked up version of the perfect trade. As you could see, we hit that SMA, we went through. Both of our indicators are down in the danger zones, and you can see 2 big ass candles after that cross. Okay, so that is also a perfect trade. Now, I did change this from 5-second trade to 7-second trade, and I just think that it works a little bit better. So if you want to learn how to do this, if you want to say goodbye to all of these astronomically difficult things that you're trying to learn, and you want to say hello to on-demand ATM and money, then now is the time. Sendme2.co/TWK, or you can just subscribe and continue watching for free.